Double Eyelid Surgery. Achieving natural-looking results with Dr. Karan Chopra. Double eyelid surgery, also known as Asian blepharoplasty, is a cosmetic procedure that creates a crease in the upper eyelid for individuals who do not naturally have one. This procedure is commonly sought after by individuals of Asian descent, as many Asians have a single eyelid without a defined crease. Dr. Karan Chopra, a board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon, is renowned for his expertise in double eyelid surgery and his commitment to delivering natural-looking results. Background and training. Dr. Karan Chopra was born and raised in Baltimore, Maryland. He completed his plastic surgery training at the prestigious Johns Hopkins Hospital, which has been recognized as the top overall hospital in the country for 21 consecutive years by U.S. News & World Report. During his training, Dr. Chopra focused on complex facial and orbital reconstruction after trauma at the R. Adams Cowley Shock Trauma Center at the University of Maryland Medical Center. Dr. Chopra further honed his skills through a dual aesthetic and oculoplastic cosmetic fellowship with Dr. Mark Kodner, a world leader in plastic surgery. This comprehensive training equipped Dr. Chopra with the knowledge and expertise to perform double eyelid surgery with precision and artistry. Approach and unique qualities. Dr. Chopra is known for his revolutionary techniques that yield natural-looking results unique to each patient. He prioritizes safety, quality, research, innovation, and meticulous attention to detail in all his plastic surgery procedures. With over 10 years of experience, Dr. Chopra has successfully performed double eyelid surgery on more than 500 happy patients. His artistic hand and commitment to natural results set him apart from other surgeons. Dr. Chopra understands that each patient has unique facial features and desires, and he tailors his approach accordingly. This personalized approach ensures that the results of double eyelid surgery harmonize with the patient's overall facial aesthetics. Dr. Chopra's quick recovery techniques contribute to his patient's satisfaction. By utilizing advanced surgical methods and post-operative care, he minimizes downtime and discomfort, allowing patients to resume their daily activities sooner. In addition to his technical skills, Dr. Chopra's sympathetic bedside manner and his wonderful staff team create a supportive and comfortable environment for patients throughout their surgical journey. Education and training. Dr. Chopra's educational background includes a Bachelor of Arts in Biological Sciences from Washington University in St. Louis and a Doctor of Medicine degree from the University of Maryland School of Medicine. He completed his integrated residency in plastic and reconstructive surgery at the Johns Hopkins Hospital and the University of Maryland Combined Program. Furthermore, Dr. Chopra pursued specialized training in oculoplastic and aesthetic surgery through a fellowship with Dr. Mark Kodner at Mark Kodner, MD Plastic Surgery. He also received training in joint denervation, migraine, and headache surgery at the Dellon Institutes for Peripheral Nerve Surgery. Signature surgeries and locations. Dr. Karan Chopra operates with offices in Miami and Minneapolis, offering a range of signature surgeries to enhance his patients' appearance and boost their self-confidence. In addition to double eyelid surgery, his expertise extends to procedures such as facelift, neck lift, facial slimming, and mommy makeover. Visit Dr. Karan Chopra for natural-looking double eyelid surgery. If you are considering double eyelid surgery and desire natural-looking results, Dr. Karan Chopra is the plastic surgeon to trust. With his extensive training, years of experience, and dedication to personalized care, he can help you achieve the aesthetic enhancements you desire. Contact Dr. Chopra's office today to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards your transformation. Visit here to get in touch with his team. FAQs about double eyelid surgery. What is double eyelid surgery? Double eyelid surgery, also known as Asian eyelid surgery or blepharoplasty, is a cosmetic procedure that creates a crease in the upper eyelid to make the eyes appear larger and more defined. Who is a good candidate for double eyelid surgery? Good candidates for double eyelid surgery are individuals who have monolids or single eyelids and desire a more defined eyelid crease. It is important for candidates to be in good overall health and have realistic expectations about the results of the surgery. What is the recovery process like after double eyelid surgery? The recovery process after double eyelid surgery can vary from person to person, but generally, patients can expect some swelling, bruising, and discomfort in the first few days. Cold compresses and prescribed pain medication can help manage these symptoms. It is important to follow the post-operative instructions provided by your surgeon to ensure proper healing.